Now I sort of guess that if you're clever enough to find my videos on YouTube, or silly enough, or you've got too much time on your hands, you can probably also bring up something like Google Maps or something and look at where I am. Now I'm sort of at Westcliff, and when we look across the river, across the estuary, that's Kent. And as we carry on to come round, and we're looking towards where I live at Chalkwell, or Leon Sea, this is how big these cranes are. This is the port at Stamford-le-Hope, where the really big boats come. So have a look at your maps and work out how far away I am from that port. Gives you an idea how big those cranes are, doesn't it? They sort of dominate the skyline for a very, very long way round. A couple of years ago I filmed them from Benfleet. But yeah, they're huge, absolutely huge. Now, there's the container port. And there's a ship leaving.